So a lot of small IT companies just don't seem to grasp what a managed IT services company is all about. Generally, they try and control every single part of your infrastructure, and this includes selling you everything you need as well. There is no way that a smaller IT company with 5 or 6 people can compete with a big retail IT company. And quite often, a lot of these companies have specials which are really good value. So as a managed IT service provider, we'd rather redirect you to go and buy from them, because their infrastructure for warranties, for your liability as far as a Consumer Protection Act, all those things is just much better. It's less of a liability for you to go buy from them, and we can install it and help you set it up correctly. Almost all notebooks, when you buy them from a retailer, aren't running the latest version of Windows, so generally we normally just clean it out from scratch. This is what we do. We fix problems, we work with people, we partner with people. Hardware is very, very low down on our list, but we can absolutely recommend some really good equipment with some choice service providers. And we don't get anything for it except we get your trust. Because you know that when we recommend you buy something, that we're doing it out of what we believe is a good product and what will do the job you need it to do. So if we recommend you go buy a particular piece of hardware, you have got complete peace of mind that we're doing it in your best interest, because we're not earning anything from it. Nothing at all. So our focus is on managed services, labor, consulting, fixing problems, helping translate the gobbledygook that IT guys throw at you, preventing other service providers pulling the wool over your eyes, assessing if something is good value, helping with projects. That is what we do. We're not there to nickel and dime you by making a couple of bucks out of a notebook or whatever. That is not absolutely perfect for what you need to do. So when you get advice from us, you know that it is from a good place. So that's it. If you do need advice on buying your next computer, your notebook, or whatever, we'll gladly provide it, and we'll gladly set it up correctly for you, get your printers working, your email addresses, migrate your data, etc. So like that is our stance on hardware. Yes, we'll keep the basic stuff in our motor vehicles when we go out consulting, like the odd adapter, the odd cable, screen card, whatever is required to help you out. But we don't focus on anything except providing the best possible product and advice to you, our customer.